Just removed the engine cover, and the number one coil, it looks to be broken off here, so I need to see what's going on under that. The number one coil is broken off. A lot of oil leaks and coolant leaks as well on arrival. Okay. Looks like this hose was clamped off. This is a aftermarket coolant hose. Okay. So I have an indication that it may have run hot. Reservoir looks like it's got some oily film. Okay, this is cylinder 1 right here. What happened was they stripped out the threads inside the cylinder head on number 1, and the piston hit the bottom of the spark plug, causing it to pop up and break the top of the coil off of the engine. You have a leak right now, an active coolant leak on the hose that was installed. I recommend replacing this whole unit for proper fitment. You have an active coolant leak. On cylinder 1, I put one old spark plug in and one old coil back in, and the engine seems to run a lot better. However, it's running for monitoring. Has coolant leaks and oil leaks. The threads are slightly stripped out on cylinder 1. So the way the spark plug is installed, it may pop back out later, it may not, due to the bad installation on the spark plug. I'm going to check the other 3 cylinders, but right now it's not misfiring and it's running stable.